Train is 790 southbound. We're boarding business class at the back of the train. If you're a coach, walk down to the front. We'll board coach passengers. Go all the way down to the front of the train for coach. The last car is business. Business class at the back of the train. Coach, all the way down to the front of the train. Go all the way down to the front if you have a coach ticket. We're boarding business class at the back of the train by the engine. Coach all the way down to the front. If you have a coach ticket, use the front of the train. Spread out, use all the doors at the front of the train if you have an unreserved coach ticket. Don't cram in at one car, you can spread out, use all the doors at the front of the train for coach. Coach passengers, do not cram into one car. Spread out, use all the doors at the front of the train for coach. Waiting coach and all the doors and business class only in the back. All of this stuff in the alleyway needs to be moved immediately. I got to put a passenger down here with the wheelchair. I'm going to pull it all back off if you don't put it on the shelf.